before starting this lesson, I just want to let you know that this lesson is coming from this book, and this is Microsoft's #1 selling Excel book, and they asked Dr. Winston to write it. And the reason I'm telling you this isn't to buy the book. The content's free, like we're posting YouTube videos, right? It's more to let you know that you're getting a world-class education if you just watch the content. The video's there, just watch the whole thing. And if you have any questions, just let us know. We're more than happy to help. The only requirement, if I answer the question or if Dr. Winston does, is that we can make the video so more people can watch it, right? So we can have the solution for you guys and girls, and then we can post it to where other people can find it valuable. And again, underneath in the description, there are going to be the start files and the ending files, meaning you can download them. No email, you don't need anything, just click on the link. You'll automatically download the files, and you can follow along, and you can have the formulas in your spreadsheet, or in Dr. Winston's spreadsheet. And then we do offer a free 21-day course. Again, the link is in the description, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free. And so yeah, but again, if you do like this video, if you could comment, and if you could like it and subscribe. And the reason for this is not just to be notified, because you will every time we post a video, and we're trying to post, I don't know, we're trying to do 3 a week, but I'm going to start making content as well, and we should hopefully be able to do 1 a day. And so yeah, but also the bigger benefit is that if you think the content is valuable, then by liking and commenting and subscribing to the channel, more people will see it. The algorithm of YouTube will push the video to more people. And so we just want to make sure that we can reach as many people as we want. It's free, it's YouTube, right? So like the content is there, and so we hope you find it valuable. And again, if you have any questions, just go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll be monitoring it. And I'm more than happy to help, more than happy to answer. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.
In this video, we're going to begin our discussion of dynamic array functions, which were added to Office 365 the end of 2018, the beginning of 2019. So the way these work, maybe you're familiar with array functions. We have a whole lesson on them where you have to hit Control-Shift-Enter, and they're really cool, but they're pretty complicated. But with dynamic arrays, you enter a formula in one cell. You don't have to hit Control-Shift-Enter, and the formula will return multiple values and update automatically, or basically if you have created your data as a table. So let's show you the unique function. And it is indeed a unique function. It really does some cool stuff here. Okay, so here we have 2 columns. We have names in column D, and we have products in column E. We've used this data set in some of our other videos. Suppose we want to know every name that occurs in column D, and we only want to list them once. So we type equal unique, and we point to our data, and that's it. Okay, so we'll show you that formula. And you can see when you hover inside the region here, it has sort of a boundary of what you've done. Now, what happens if there's stuff below in the range that you'd want to fill with this? Well, then you could be in trouble. See, if I put Wayne here and I do equals unique D5, D66, it's not going to work because there's not enough room. And it'll let me know with that spill error that basically that there is an issue. Okay, now if I want basically all the unique products from column E, I'd say unique E5 through E66. And we've got that, and that's really cool. Okay, now suppose I only want the names that occur once in a range. Okay, so I might, let's say, go row 5 through 13. Well, then there's some other arguments to the unique function, which we haven't really worried about yet. See, if you go to the function wizard, you can see there's that last 2 arguments, which usually we can omit. But basically this last one here, if you just want things that occur exactly once, I don't know why you care, but we can try and show you that. Okay, so basically what we would say is equal unique can auto-complete that. And so let's suppose we just want the names going down to here. Okay. Now, what we basically, we want to compare by column, so we'll say true, compare by row. We'll do that. And then here's the thing. We put true if we want it to be just things that occur exactly once. Okay. And so I shouldn't have said row there. I should have said false. Okay. So now we look at that formula. Okay, so you can see in row 5 through 13, Betsy occurred once, Zerit, and Christina. Okay, but Colleen occurred twice, Halligan occurred twice, and we don't see those. So only occurring once. Now suppose we want every 2-column combination or even 3-column combination, we get 3 columns that appears once. Not occurs once, but every unique combination across a name and product, like Betsy lip gloss, Betsy with other products, etc. Well, then we've got to select 2 columns. So I say 2 columns. Here I select it. I do unique. Then I select this, and this is really cool. So if I show you that formula, okay. So basically, if we go row 17, there's not that many of them. There's 34 combinations there. Okay. Now, if I want 2-column unique combinations that occur exactly once, how would that work? Okay, so I might go, see, Betsy lip gloss here occurs twice. So if I go, let's suppose I go row 5 through 14 here. And then I do that false true bit. So I go here, 2 columns equals unique, and I go 5 through 14. Betsy and lip gloss should not occur. Now I didn't do the false true there. Okay, so I mean I have to change that. Okay, see there it took Betsy lip gloss away. Okay, so basically Betsy lip gloss was the only 2-column combination that occurred twice. Which is really quite cool. Okay, now suppose you want to do stuff in rows. So I've got, basically you want basically unique entries that go across a single, multiple columns across a single row. Well, then you've got to worry about that second argument there. So basically I would say unique, here we go. Now if I do comma there, okay, I want to compare by columns, okay? So I could just say that. So I got Wayne, Jen, Greg, and Vivian. Now if I want the ones that basically, so we'll show you that formula. Okay. Now if I want basically to just see the ones that occur exactly once, that would be Jen, Greg, and Vivian. So I would say again, here's my array. And then basically I'm going to compare by column there. Now here's the thing, only once I want true. So I want true, true. Okay, so then it doesn't show Wayne because he occurs twice there. So this is just incredibly cool. And we'll see in the next video when you make your data table, when you delete stuff or you add stuff, this stuff updates automatically. You just got to make sure you have enough room at the bottom or to the right so that you can fill stuff in. But this is just really cool.
Alright, so now that you watched the video, we hope you like this stuff. I mean, we're going to be posting a lot of content, hopefully. The goal is to do 2 to 3 of Dr. Winston's videos a week, and then 3 to 4 or 5. The goal is 1 a day, so 7 of me producing content or me answering questions, from people and stuff like that. I mean, you guys probably don't know me, and girls, but I'm an alumni of Dr. Winston's. I am a consultant in Excel. I do this stuff for a living. And so, yeah, if you have any questions on this or in general, leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Not so much just so you get a update, but more because, if you think this video is good or you like the content and you think other people will like the content as you like and as you comment and as you subscribe, YouTube, the algorithm is going to push this to other people. It's gonna be on their homepage, people searches and stuff like that. And so our goal is to get this content out, to as many people as possible. I mean, it's free, but it's really, really good. I'm an alumni, again, of Dr. Winston's, and I can personally, vouch for it because I was in his classes. I took all of his classes. I took his marketing analytics. I took his data modeling class, his stats class, his financial analytics class. Like, I've done it all. And it's just amazing content. And the challenge with YouTube is there's not in-depth content as to where with this you have really, really in-depth content. And so, yeah, any questions, let me know, leave a comment, and I'll be there to help. Thanks.